When you think of self-healing, you probably picture a jelly-like slime that barely holds a paper cut. You don't imagine material tougher than rubber that actually repairs itself. But that's exactly what researchers achieved this year. They mimicked skin and muscle, which combine tens of megapascals of stiffness with intrinsic healing, to create a hydrogel that's both super strong and self-repairing. This breakthrough appears in Nature Materials as Stiff and Self-Healing Hydrogels by Polymer Entanglements in Co-Planar Nanoconfinement. Lead author Chen, Liang and colleagues asked, what if we could lock polymers in a nanoscale scaffold so they're both rigid and mobile? Imagine building a bridge out of gelatin. It would collapse under its own weight. Now picture supercharging that gel so it resists bending and then relinks its polymer chains to heal cuts. That's what happened when they exfoliated hectorite clay into 1 nanometer thick, 20 micrometer wide nanosheets and sheared them into aligned pancake-like layers, forming a co-planar scaffold for acrylamide chains to grow and entangle. Inside this nanoconfinement, the hydrogel's Young's modulus jumps to 50 megapascals, rivaling soft plastics and rubber. Under tension, it reaches an ultimate tensile strength of 4.2 megapascals before snapping, enough to support heavy loads for implants or soft robots. And it does this while remaining flexible enough to stretch over 200% of its length. Cut it and let the pieces touch again, and the gel heals itself. In an end-to-end test, it recovers about 33% of its original strength within 48 hours, no glue or heat required. Overlap 2 pieces side by side by just 2 millimeters, and it regains 100% of its strength in 24 hours, faster than you can brew a cup of coffee. The secret? Dynamic polymer entanglements reform across the cut plane, just like tangled hair reknots itself. They even tested adhesion. The gel sticks to glass, metal, and wood with shear strengths up to 0.49 megapascal, outperforming many commercial adhesive. Swap water for glycerol, and the organohydrogel changes to 729 megapascal stiffness with 25.6 megapascal strength, yet still heals itself, opening doors to dry or wet environments alike. Under the microscope, you'll see a 2-stage tensile response. A stiff elastic regime below 3% strain, then a plastic regime, with strain hardening up to 250%, a behavior rarely seen in soft materials. This combination of toughness and healability could revolutionize artificial cartilage, self-healing wound dressings, and resilient soft robots. And now, the meme of the week. Pretty wild for a slime, right? If you're as mind-blown as I am, hit that like button and subscribe for more biomimetic breakthroughs. Drop a comment. What would you build with a self-healing gel? Thanks for watching. Stay curious.